Hi, Rochelle here, and
Me?
Kat in Dreaming English, and today we're going to replace the horse head, or actually maybe we'll hang them both. What do you think? So the squirrels, can you get the squirrel? So the squirrels have been chewing a hole into this horse head. They've been chewing a hole.
And just basically eating the entire thing.
And they've also chewed on the back of his neck because I put the food inside of here and they've chewed the hole. So I bought a new one. Alright, so here is the box. Came from Amazon the other day. And in it is just the horse head. That's it. Take the horse head out. And I've already put a piece of fishing line here. So this is the new horse head. And this is the old horse head and the new horse head. So notice the new horse head doesn't have any chewed. Look at the
And it doesn't have any stuff splattered on it.
Look at the difference here. Look what they did.
That one is barking at corn.
Yep, this one there's still some food coming out. And you see the difference there? So I already hung some fishing line that you would fish for a fish. And I hung it up. And how I'm going to hang it, it's going to be kind of difficult because I have to get a zip tie through a very small hole in its head. And I can't see what I'm doing. So I can't see very well when I put my hand in. I can't see where that hole is. Which I think maybe it's better to put the zip tie down, maybe. So what I did so far is I put this zip tie and I put another one inside to try to keep it. So I'm going to try. There's a squirrel that's watching us. So, and we can also hear a sound of a chainsaw, and you can see a picture of a chainsaw between us. Someone is probably cutting down a tree. You can see a tree back there. Maybe they're cutting their tree down, I'm not sure. I'm going to take the zip tie and I'm going to close it up and make a loop. And now I will take one more zip tie and put it through the loop of the fishing line that I made. And so maybe you've watched some of our other videos about the horse head. But Katarina's going to show you how the squirrel, why don't you show how the squirrel would go inside of this horse head?
So they'd stick their head in through this, and it would be a squirrel wearing a horse head.
Yep.
Pretty simple concept.
And it would get the chance to eat. You can see on the back that it shows how you would put your peanuts and your bird seed inside, and you'll use peanut butter for that. And you can see a link to filling the horse head feeder right here to find out more about how to do that. This is like trying to thread a needle or something. And as you see now, there are two horse heads that are hanging. So there you go. Hanging the new horse head feeder. Now I'm going to fill it. Alright, so just in case you don't have time to watch that other video, I'll show you how you fill this real quick. You're first going to put peanut butter, and you're going to put it around the inside of the squirrel's head. Well look, they're excited. That's the sound of the squirrel. Is that a bird? Maybe like, get out of here, we want to eat. Get out of here. And this time I'm not going to put any peanut butter and any food on the horse's mouth because look at what they did.
How they chewed it.
But it was awesome. I got a really cool video of the squirrel. It looked like it was kissing. Let me see the squirrel. It was cute. It was like this. It was like this. You know, but Then it made this hole. So I guess it was biting. So we'll put some in the old horse head too. And maybe this time we'll get 2 squirrels that will come. So you want to mix some peanut butter inside, because otherwise all of the feed will fall out onto the ground. And we don't want to make it too easy for the squirrels. So it will look like this.
Basically, it'll look gross.
It'll look gross, yeah, not very appetizing.
Unless you're a squirrel.
Right, then you might think it's appetizing. And there's room in the mane of this head because it hasn't been eaten. So I can put some food inside of the mane of the horse head.
I'm pretty sure that's how it was destroyed last time.
Well, it might be destroyed again, but it's been fun watching them.
Maybe you can just buy another one. And you
Well,
can keep buying more and more.
More and more, and
until
hang
it's
them
all
everywhere, and all my neighbors will love it. And the thing is that I've been enjoying anyway, watching the squirrels while I'm working from home during quarantine. I don't know how much Kat has been enjoying. Have you enjoyed watching the squirrels?
Yeah, but I haven't been seeing them as often because I'm not working there.
Oh, right, because school is done,
over.
so we're not doing schoolwork from home anymore.
Oh, finally.
Finally, school is finished. So what are we going to do this summer? We're going to swim. We might still go on a vacation
Yeah,
somewhere.
maybe. Yeah, so basically that's all that's really on our agenda.
Okay, so,
Swim.
right? Swimming. Maybe we might go camping. Maybe.
Yeah.
So, anyway, if you like this video, please put a thumbs up. And then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.